Trash is a fun card game where players try to complete sets of 10 cards. You need at least 2 players to play, but the game can be played with as many more players as you'd like. For 2 players, use 1 deck of cards. For 3 players, use 2 deck of cards. Add another deck of cards for each 2 additional players. To start the game, 1 player deals 10 cards face down to each player, 1 at a time. Players then arrange their cards in 2 horizontal rows of 5 cards each without looking at them. The rest of the cards go in the center of the table for the draw pile. Flip the top card over for the discard pile. A player starts their turn by drawing a card from the draw pile and placing it in its corresponding spot in their rows. The top left spot is ace, and the spots continue sequentially to 10, which is the bottom right spot. Jokers and kings are wild, and jacks and queens don't have a spot. When a player plays a card in a spot, they pick up the face-down card that's in that spot. Then, they play that card in its corresponding spot. This continues until the player isn't able to play a card they pick up because its spot is taken or it's a jack or queen. When that happens, they discard the card, and it's the next player's turn. Keep playing like this until one player fills up all 10 of their spots and says, "Trash," to end the round. Once someone says trash, the rest of the players have a chance to draw 1 more card and try to complete their set of 10. Whoever completes their set gets 1 less card in their rows for the next round, meaning they only need to fill 9 spots now. Continue playing rounds until one player manages to get down to 1 starting spot. If that player wins the round, the game is over and they win the whole game.